Making money online worldwide was never simpler than what I'm going to share in this video. I will explain the benefits of building an international or worldwide online business opportunity and exactly how you can make more money faster and easier copying what I do. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been making money online full-time for years, and I've done both network marketing, it's sometimes referred to as MLM, and affiliate marketing. I know of no better way to create time freedom and money freedom too. They are the business models that I always recommend when someone is wanting to make money online. Over the years, I've had people from all over the world team up with me in my online businesses. I have literally lost track of how many different countries they come from. Sometimes it's countries I've never even heard of. And before we get going, can you do me a favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to subscribe and also hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week to help you make more money online. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, please hit the like button too to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you do have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So many online marketers really need to expand their thinking and start attracting international business. If you're going to try to make money online, you might as well build something worldwide. The benefits of making money online in a worldwide opportunity are pretty obvious. The larger customer base provides additional income streams, and it also makes better use of your marketing assets. For example, today is Thanksgiving Day here in the United States. I actually recorded this video yesterday and scheduled it to publish today. Here in the US, it's a day for family. Not much business is being done. But because my business is worldwide, this will be another good business day for me. I'm marketing like I do any other day. See, marketing worldwide is a way you can gain a competitive edge by attracting customers or business partners in untapped locations that many other marketers are ignoring. Bottom line, when you start making money online worldwide, you can make more money. And my particular online business makes it so simple. People in other countries love what we do. We are literally in several hundred countries. And I think it's for a couple of reasons. First, this business is not like those Amway, Nu Skin, Mary Kay, or the many other names you've heard. It's pretty tough to get people to look at them these days. I'm not knocking them. It's just that they tend to be a lot more work and take a more personal touch. A lot of people just don't want to do that. And with what we do, you do not need to buy a bunch of overpriced products every month. In fact, you don't need to buy anything. And you do not need to sell products to make money. This business is super affordable and really simple to do. It only takes a few minutes a day. All we do is share it with others, and there are so many really simple ways to do it. YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, even a business card. You don't have to talk to anyone. You don't have to explain anything. You just send people to watch a short video. The system takes it from there. Anyone can do that. Many new people make money their very first day. And that's a big part of why we are the fastest growing company in the industry. We provide terrific training, and I will mentor you personally. And you will be able to reach out to me by email, text, Facebook Messenger, my personal cell phone, or the Telegram app anytime you need help. So no matter where in the world you live, I encourage you to learn more about making money online. To start making money today, watch the short video right now at wannalivebetter.com. Again, that's wannalivebetter.com. We'll talk soon.